30 mind-blowing world geography facts you never knew. The world is full of strange and fascinating places. From countries with no rivers to continents that are splitting apart, here are 30 geographic facts that will absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Russia is bigger than Pluto. Believe it or not, Russia's land area is actually larger than the surface area of Pluto. Fact 2. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. Canada has over 2 million lakes, more than the rest of the world combined. Fact 3. Iceland has no mosquitoes. Thanks to its cold climate and lack of stagnant water, Iceland is mosquito-free. Fact 4. Africa lies in all four hemispheres. Africa is the only continent located in northern, southern, eastern and western hemispheres. Fact 5. Alaska is the westernmost, easternmost and northernmost US state. Alaska is to the northwest of USA, but Aleutian Islands cross 180-degree meridian extending into eastern hemisphere. Fact 6. Mount Chimborazo is closer to space than Everest. Because of Earth's equatorial bulge, Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador is actually the farthest point from Earth's center, even farther than Everest. Fact 7. There is a town in Norway called Hell. Yes, Hell is real, at least in Norway, and in winter it literally freezes over. Fact 8. Australia is wider than the moon. Australia measures around 4,000 kilometers across, while the moon's diameter is just 3,474 kilometers. Fact 9. Saudi Arabia has no rivers. Despite its size, Saudi Arabia has no permanent rivers, just dry riverbeds called wadis. Fact 10. Africa gets snow. Snow in Africa? Absolutely. It snows on Mount Kilimanjaro and the Atlas Mountain in winter. Fact 11. Bangladesh has the world's largest river delta. Spanning over 100,000 square kilometers, this massive delta can be seen from space. Fact 12. The Dead Sea is the Earth's lowest land point. It sits over 430 meters or 1,400 feet below sea level, making it the Earth's lowest exposed land surface. Fact 13. Asia has 90% of the world's population. Asia is home to nearly 5 billion people, about 90% of the global population. Fact 14. Africa has over 2,000 languages. Africa is the most linguistically diverse continent, boasting over 2,000 different languages. Fact 15. The Sahara Desert was once lush and full of lakes. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was green and fertile, with lakes, rivers and even hippos. Fact 16. Antarctica is the driest, windiest and coldest continent. Parts of Antarctica are so dry they haven't seen rain or snow for nearly 2 million years. Fact 17. The country Luxembourg is smaller than Los Angeles. Luxembourg is smaller than a single US city, but it's one of the richest countries in the world. Fact 18. A country inside a city of another country. Vatican City is inside Rome, which is inside Italy. Talk about layers of geography. Fact 19. Asia has the highest and lowest points on Earth. From towering Mount Everest to the sunken Dead Sea, Asia holds both extremes. Fact 20. Lake Victoria is the world's largest tropical lake. It's Africa's largest lake and touches Tanzania, Uganda and Kenya. Fact 21. Japan has over 6,800 islands. Japan isn't just 4 main islands. There are over 6,800 scattered across the Pacific. Fact 22. Greenland belongs to Denmark. Though not part of North America geographically, Greenland is politically tied to Europe. It's an autonomous territory of Denmark. Fact 23. You can walk from Europe to Asia in Istanbul. In Istanbul, Turkey, a quick walk across the Bosphorus Bridge takes you from Europe straight into Asia. Fact 24. Continents are still drifting. The continents move about an inch a year, meaning the Atlantic Ocean is slowly getting wider. Fact 25. Brazil borders every South American country except 2. It touches every neighbor except Chile and Ecuador. That's a lot of borders. Fact 26. The 3 frontiers in South America. At the junction of the Iguazu and Parani rivers, 3 countries meet in one place. Fact 27. Tokyo has more people than all of Canada. Tokyo's metro area has 37 million people, more than the entire population of Canada. Fact 28. The Amazon River once flowed backward. Millions of years ago, the Amazon River used to flow westward until the Andes rose and reversed its course. Fact 29. Africa is splitting into two countries. The East Africa Rift is slowly tearing the continent apart, eventually forming a new ocean. Fact 30. Only two countries are fully surrounded by one other country. San Marino and Vatican City are inside Italy. Lesotho, fully landlocked inside South Africa. From rivers flowing backward to continents breaking apart, our world is anything but ordinary. Hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more geography facts every week. From diamond peaks to mosquito-free lands, the world is full of incredible surprises. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts every week. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon. Please comment your viewpoint in the comments section.